Hello, today I am going to make a kitchen hood. This kitchen hood fits the size of the previous range oven tutorial. Check out the description box for the materials, measurements, and link to the pattern. Let's begin by printing and cutting the pattern. Then use the pattern to trace and cut the craftwood. Make 2 of this. Next, bring your prepared materials and we are going to glue them together. Take piece A and glue it on the base wood. Next, take piece B and sand the side where the glue would go to create a bevel. Then, glue the piece B next to piece A. Next, take piece C and sand the side, then glue it next to piece B. Do the same step on the other side. Next, glue the other side of the base and let the glue completely dry. After the glue is dry, you can sand the edges to make it even. Now take all the wood strips you prepared and glue the longest wood strip on the lower part of the kitchen hood. Then glue the wood strips for the sides. And then add the short wood strip that goes to the front. Do the same steps for the upper part. Next, we are going to make a molding for the base. Cut and remove the narrowest part of the pattern. Then, mark each side 6 mm to make a margin. Afterwards, cut the margin. Then use the pattern to trace on the 1.5 mm thick craftwood or a cardstock. Next, paint the remaining pieces. I am going to paint mine the same color as the kitchen counter from the previous tutorial. and then let the paint completely dry. And then lastly, glue the molding. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.